Hello everyone, and welcome to my realistic Mother's Day makeup tutorial. Let's get started. We're gonna start this look off with a primer called Sleeping In Past 8 a.m. Unfortunately, Dad hyped your kid up about Mom's special day, and now it's only 6 a.m. and she's jumping on the bed shouting, "Happy birthday, Mama," for some reason. She's also asking you when Dad will be awake to help make breakfast for you. Because of course, she can't just wake up Dad. She needs to let him rest. For this next step, we're going to apply a full face of breakfast in bed. Apply this all over your Your kids and husband just walked in and they want to try your breakfast. Make sure that it tastes good. See how it is to eat breakfast in bed. And what you're left with is half an egg and coffee all over the sheets. Great. Once you've applied as much of your breakfast in bed as you can, make sure to clean up any messes, any mistakes that may have been left. Everyone is here for the party. Everyone is here for breakfast in bed. No one is here to clean it up. Okay, fun part. Now it's time for our eyeshadow, and we have Mother's Day gifts. How fun! This first shade is called Macaroni Necklace I made for you at school. It's a nice neutral shade, but it has some very, very brightly colored glitter thrown in, which is quickly getting all over. Handle this one gently to minimize the mess. This next shade is called Grocery Store Flowers. It's pretty, but just like the macaroni necklace, it has a lot of colors going on. Your kid definitely picked this out, so you can't help but love it. And hey, at least it's not a vacuum. For our eyeliner, we're using Use the Bathroom Alone for Once. Make sure to take your time with this step and really make it last. When you see the hands of your child poking through the bottom of the bathroom door, quickly check that your phone is on silent and go into stealth ninja mode. Don't you make a damn sound. Maybe take out your phone, scroll through Twitter, scroll through Insta. Oh, for Christ's sake. Our mascara for our Mother's Day look is called Patience. This is absolutely a staple for not only Mother's Day, but for every day. Apply 2 coats of Oh, shit, I have run out. Now it's time for our blush. You want to apply this with a fluffy face brush, and preferably with one that wasn't used by your 3-year-old the night before to make herself beautiful when she was supposed to be asleep. It's okay. Just find another clean brush and just blend until it's somewhat presentable. Look, we already have macaroni necklace glitter all over our face, so this just adds to the ambiance. Finally, we've arrived at lips. Our lip color is called It's Wine Time. Apply this really liberally. Come on, liberally. The kid's finally asleep. You deserve it. Note, make sure that you don't mistakenly use It's Wine Time, because that's Dad's job today. Mama ain't got no time to be Judge Judy for the case of the dead iPad, or Mama, I need a snack today. And there you have it, a genuine Mother's Day look. Although the expectation may not be quite what the reality was, you wouldn't change the journey for the world. Happy Mother's Day!